This video is for all of my service members out there, whether you're active duty, guard, reserve, retired, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, it doesn't matter, listen up. The military is an excellent organization that teaches us valuable life skills. But let's face it, the military doesn't teach us anything about building wealth and creating cash flow for ourselves and for our family. Realizing this and hearing so many stories from my fellow service members about their horrible experiences with bad real estate investments, I created the Military Cash Flow course in order to show you exactly how to find, analyze, buy, renovate, and maintain a profitable real estate investment, all while on active duty. Everything that I teach you in this course is stuff that I actually do, stuff that helped me build my portfolio and bring in consistent monthly cash flow. Over the past few years, I've built a real estate portfolio that brings me thousands of dollars of consistent monthly passive income, all while serving on active duty. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Dan Wynn, and I'm still serving on active duty. I'm also a real estate entrepreneur and the host of the Military Cash Flow podcast and YouTube channel with my buddy Mike Glaspie. We teach real estate related topics, we share our past deals, we go over the numbers, and we also interview other successful real estate entrepreneurs. This Military Cash Flow course is going to teach you everything you need to know in order to build wealth and create consistent monthly cash flow for yourself and your family. This course is for the service member that wants to build wealth and passive income while serving. This course is for the military spouse that wants to learn about investing and bring in some extra income through real estate. This course is for the military service member that's about to buy a house and wants to maximize their VA loan entitlement. This course is for the service member coming up on 20 years and doesn't want to go back into the civilian sector and work until they're in their mid-60s. This course is for any service member or their family that wants to gain their financial freedom. If you fall into one of those categories and you're serious about your financial future, I urge you to pick up this course. Type in the website or follow the link, and let's get you started on your military cash flow journey.